Okay, guys, so this is the actual video part. I'm just gonna film some going on the walk time. So welcome to montage time. Okay, guys, so we are back. Today we're making pasta. Where's that egg at? Because this happens. Sucks when this happens, but yeah, it's all in. Final bit. Put the egg in. Now we wait. It's good position. Wait. Pasta, pasta, pasta. Pasta, pasta, pasta. Pasta, pasta, pasta. Pasta, pasta, pasta. That probably looked really weird. Sorry. Just like turn a little bit. There you go. Or what we could do is a lot better. Slowly watch it. Now see what it's gonna do. It's gonna happen very soon. It's gonna do and then you're just gonna start seeing it coming out. It's gonna start coming out like crazy. But here, for split a little day, for a split little second, not a day. So earlier in this video, you saw me walking. Hope you enjoyed that. It's gonna be very good. Well, I haven't posted it yet, so I don't know if it's good or not, but I hope you guys will like it. It's good, some good videos. Now that they're daily, they're better, they're longer. It's gonna be 2 videos in a row. One's that's like almost 5 minutes, and this one's probably gonna be 5 minutes too. Perfect. They're all propped up. Here it is. There it is. Beep, beep. And you can just start to see it. There it is. Now see what we have to do. We have to do this. Cut this part off first. Because then, yeah. See, we don't need that. Get that weak crap. Get that weak stuff out of here. It's not coming out quick. Boy! Hang on. I don't know. Okay. I'm just gonna add like a bit more. Oh no, it's falling. I'm gonna have to add a bit more because I don't know what happened. Why is it not coming out? Look, it's not. Oh, it needs more ink. Now, see you guys later. Bye bye. Okay, guys, so we are back. We are doing a little bit, some fun stuff. Oh, sorry. We didn't do that earlier. Okay, guys. Jesus. What?
Okay.
Put out.
Okay.
Okay. What the heck is that? Back up, run. That was disappointing. Okay, that's it. That one was it. That one was the best. That one's gone. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Okay. Hand me the lighter.
Pause and come back.
Okay, guys, I'll see you in a second when we light some more. Okay. Hey, boys.
Just do one.
Yeah, no. Can you move the other one then? Because I don't want to mix it up. Thank you. Hang on. I like this one the best. These ones are safe. Woo!
Okay, that might be enough for them.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, guys, so that is it for today. Like, subscribe. That was insane. High quality content. Copyright. Subscribe, like, hit the bell icon. Stay jelly. Guys, remember, like, subscribe. Redo that. Remember, guys, like, subscribe. Don't hit that thing now. Like, subscribe, and freaking screw this.